trails to be cut. We are in the TJ again, and we are just gonna go exploring. I've got Daisy with us, and let's go see what we can get into. So it dead ends into this, but that's kind of good because check out what we. So we are out here. Exploring some of the new trail in our area, and this thing, as you can tell, dead ends in this. So there's quite a bit of potential here. This would be a pretty good spot. There's some really good stuff in here. I don't know if the camera's picking up all of this, but there's some good sized boulders. It goes up the hill. There's some good stuff in here. There's stuff over there. So right there, that boulder is the size of a Jeep, and that big rock slab up there. So let's see if this goes to the other trail I'm thinking about. So this is crazy big in there. So we've definitely found some good stuff today. YouTube algorithm, or whatever you want to call it, tells us about 80% of the people that watch our videos aren't subscribed. So if you can hit that subscribe button and the like button and share it, we're trying to grow our channel so it affords us to do this kind of content and buy better equipment so you guys get a better experience. So that would be greatly appreciated. And back to the action. But this is some big stuff.
Got me going dumb like I'm illiterate. Know you feeling it? so what you need? I'm in the earth that my seeds, and I watch them grow till I say my piece. Know you feeling it, I got you feeling it, bosses. Tell me, do you believe in those monsters? I'm talking dreams so big that they'll haunt you, or they'll calm you. That's how you know if you gotta go and get to win and not conquer. I had to go out and get it without a sponsor. Kept it real, never crooked, yeah, that's honor. Now I can go out and get it how I want to. Hashtag blessed, I choose.
So if you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. That probably means that you're really into off-roading and you want to see Pennsylvania grow new trails. You don't have to worry. There is already green trails at these properties that are pretty fun. And also, the trails we found aren't just only red, like rear steer type stuff. We found a couple blues, a couple blacks, but we'll hopefully be cutting them in. If you're interested in helping out with any of this, you can find my info on Instagram, Facebook, under Joe Samanchek or OGOB Racing or Gatekeeper Off-Road. So I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.